Hello beautiful people, and welcome to Lip Balm Kiss TV. So today's video we are collaborating with AliExpress, a hair vendor by the name of In Unice hair. This wig, as you guys can see, we're about to install, has an adjustable strap. We are cutting the lace in the back. Today we are going glueless, so we'll just be cutting the lace, customizing it to fit our head, and using our Got To Be spray to lay the lace down. We still want a little melt even though we're not using glue, because I'm just not a fan of the glue these days. It's just too much on my skin, too much on my edges. So we just use like hairspray and spritz. That way I can take the wig on and off after like a day or two. But yeah, here you guys see I'm just going to cut the lace and then we are going to install it. This wig, I really liked it. I've worked with this company before, so I knew the wig was going to be good, but I really liked it because I love me a good natural like black buzz down with some layers. Y'all already know that is my go-to. Like, it works with anything I have on, it works with any style of makeup, it works with anything I wear at work. So I really am a fan of the natural like layers, jet black or natural black look. That's just my thing. That's just what we do. I'll give this hair on a scale 1 to 10 like a 9 or a 10. I bleached the knots, and as you guys can see from the hairline, I did pluck it, and I think that helped out a lot. I didn't need to pluck it, but I feel like it gave it more of a seamless look. So yeah, I'm just gonna straighten it before I curl it. So I'm gonna straighten it first, and then we're gonna pull our shears out and throw some layers in there to kind of frame my face and just add like a little body and volume. That's a 1.5 inch barrel that you see there, and I think it was perfect for the look that I was trying to achieve. If you guys like the natural look, nothing too crazy, then go ahead and check this wig out. I'll have all the information down in the description box below. Thank you again, Ali Unice, for sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate it. It's always a pleasure working with you guys. Y'all have amazing wigs, amazing quality, amazing prices. I'm always be an advocate for y'all because y'all do the damn thing when it comes to this hair. So thank you again. I'm gonna go ahead and let the music ride out. If I look irritated, I was cramping a little bit, so never mind my face because this hair is bomb. Okay, never mind my face. Thanks again, Ali Unice, for sponsoring this video. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions down below about this wig. If you want me to do an updated review, let me know and I will make sure to get that done for you guys. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day.